2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!